definitely help Bob in his journey, because he is helping us a lot, correct? So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay,
I
so
think to add to it, Piyush, I'll say it is Bob's aura which brings such people, because now right now itself we are like 6 locations just for Bob. We all are here today, and including all these kids. So thank you, Bob, for bringing all of us together. I know you and your wife's aura is so special that people feel connected. I have not met you, but I felt your warmth sitting far. So thank you. Thanks again from all of us.
okay, so if Bangesh, you can ask the kids to quickly introduce themselves, then it will be great.
Yes, why not? They love to introduce themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
My name is Nikhil. I'm studying in Standard 9 in Padagans Vidyangur School in Pune. I'm from Orissa.
You have any question for Bob uncle? Nikhil? पूछ लो
No,
पूछ लो
later.
किसी को कुछ और भी मन तो पूछ लेना. Feel free to ask anybody any question, okay?
My name is Rolex. I'm from Father Agnes Vidyangur School. Yes.
And you've got the best smile. Best smile. I'm watching you the whole time, and you just one of the greatest smile, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So very good.
Thank you.
My name is Vijay.
My name is Sarojit Dange. I'm in Mother Teresa School in 9th standard. My hobby is to play cricket and football.
Hello.
You don't look like 9th. You look like class 5, huh?
Hi, my name is Yash. I'm studying 12th Commerce in Moja College. I love to play football and outdoor games, and in my future, I want to become a footballer.
Are you? How good are you in football?
Yeah,
You very good at football?
I play as a goalkeeper of my team.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, we have a Mahe team that represent the state, and also we represent the India in Poland.
Excellent.
Yeah, so we have a good football team.
Excellent.
Hi, my name is Abhishek. I'm in 12th standard, and my college name is Mojen. And I love to read books, and in my future I want to become a cricketer.
Very good. Excellent.
Namaste, my name is Prathamesh. I'm doing my bachelor's degree in management studies from Christ College, Pune. I love reading books and I want to become an HR manager in my future.
Very good. Great. You know, one thing I found about the folks from India that I've met here in Rhode Island and Massachusetts is you guys are so entrepreneurial, starting businesses and doing great things, especially in the technological world. You guys amaze me, and everyone seems to do so well here in the States. And you know, I'm also impressed with what you folks accomplish. The India people accomplish here in the States. It's amazing. So hope for great things from you as well in management. So great, good stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Mangesh, and I grown up in Maher, and I just finished my MBA like 2 years back, and then I got an opportunity to work with the Deutsche Bank called HSBC, but I said not to them because I wanted to work for Maher, and then I working as a youth coordinator, and also I got selected as an international peace counselor to go to Washington, Seattle. So I was there for 6 months last year as a Indian peace counselor, and currently me and Sister Lucy, we founded an organization called Interfaith Association for Service to Humanity and Nature, because in India we have so many like conflicts with the religions. So we are finding how we can, you know, like put the seeds of love in the different communities so that love can grow in each other's heart. So we started that, and I'm international coordinator for that.
Wow,
Thank
so
you.
that's amazing that you moved from a bank to do the work you're doing, but it's so important. Have you been to the States before, or is that your first trip?
No, first trip. First time I went to
Did you
US.
enjoy it?
I was, there were no people, only cars were there. So I was like, where are the people? There are lots of cars, you know. And I'm used to stay with a lot of people over here. And my English was not that good when I came from, because I never been to English medium school. I was always been in a village school in Marathi medium. So when I went to there, it was like a lot of difficulties. But Sister Lucy told me one thing, like, your heart is speaking, then you don't need a language. When your heart is speaking. So I was like, yes, that is the world. That's how Sister Lucy is teaching us. You just enjoy and do your best.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Nice.
If you want to
Very nice.
ask any question to the children,
And I would like to ask regarding your feast you had last week regarding fish and all those nice curry you had. So I'd like you to share the experience, especially kids. How like was it so yummy? And
DP,
yeah,
DP, why don't you, Mr. Suri is new today, so maybe you can update him and Bob also. What happened last week? What did we all do?
yeah. Yeah, so last week, all kids has gathered together, and we like my team has prepared nice food. They have brought the fish, and then they have prepared food for them, and everybody has enjoyed. And I've seen the pictures, and I was amazed by seeing the pictures. Like there were all the smiles on the faces, and I felt by picture like they have enjoyed a lot. So it would be like I would like to hear about that from all the kids. Like how they feel about that event. Like they gathered together, they had fish, and they enjoyed a lot, I guess. And I would like to hear the conversation around that. Yeah.
Very good.
So Mangesh, can you please?
it will be like, Mangesh is already prepared to tell him. So I don't want to tell anything. They will talk to him. That is what the transparency
Yeah.
in my head. Yeah, they will
Yeah.
talk to him.
Where is the HR manager? Who is HR manager? Batao.
After 3 months lockdown, we were missing meat and all those things, eating outside foods and that all. But after lockdown, you helped us to give us fish for all of us. We enjoyed a lot, and we were missing it so much for many days. And thank you so much for helping us.
Thank you for
And-
sharing it with us, because it was not that we helped. हम लोग के घर पे भी बना था fish, and we wanted you all to also have. And Piyush भैया, CS भैया and DP भैया, सबको उस दिन अपने घर पे ऐसे स्पेशल खाना बना कि we all can eat together at the same time. अच्छा खाना. We are like family. So Bob, what happened that whenever we have some good food now, we try to have one of their meal get sponsored. So this generally we sponsor meal, but this time the request was if they can have 30 kg of fish. And I'm like, my God, how will you get that much of fish? And all they said, all will be settled. So, and it's been lockdown period for 2-3 months now. So they didn't have non-veg and good food. So that is what they have. ये भी हंसते हुए आ गया. तुम भी बताओ, तुम खाए थे fish? खाते हो? Why don't you share?
Thank you.
Arey, thank you to you all. So that's nice. Good.
Yeah,
और कुछ पूछना है तुम लोग को?
it was really like after 3 months, can you imagine, like we have more than 1,500 people in Mahir, and the donation was like really less. We were struggling, and also at the same time, Sister Lucy, who is our mom, she's also trying to help the migrant workers, at the same time. And in that all things, and they don't know about any fishes coming or nothing. So in that, suddenly it came. Oh my God! They just shouted. It was like, oh my God, fish in the lockdown, and they were so happy in that.
Yes, very nice. Thanks to Sandhya ma'am. It was all her effort. So Bob, Miss Sandhya is the coordinator with whom I talk on a regular basis.
Mhm.
And we have been associated for long. And the one thing which I have met Sister Lucy twice only, but I meet Sandhya ma'am more. The one thing she's very, very clear about is that we do not want people around us, lot of corporate associations they have, just to do a tick mark as their CSR activity. They are very particular of that. So they had an CSR corporate association where they just use the brand Mahir and got some donation and all, and they do not encourage all that. Even they have a lot of expats who travel to India for their 6-month certification. That also Sister Lucy is very particular. Only those who are very genuine coming and spending time with kids. So I work with a lot of NGOs, but Mahir is like without doubt my favorite, because you see the love, the affection from the kids, and the way you communicate and the way we get the response from the management team or sister is like a family. So that's one very special reason I have for Mahir. I have a small girl also there. She's not here today. She's my favorite. So I meet her whenever I go. So that is, you would have felt the warmth. So I have maybe I should ask Mr. Suri also, because he is also hearing for the first time, and he can also connect. And the reason why we do such activities is to bring them on map. That's it. So I'll share their website. You have met with them directly, so that people who are interested to reach out to them directly can reach out. So like for example, Piyush knows that I'm into philanthropy. So last year Piyush gave me 100 blankets to be distributed to his hometown. So it's just that we are medium. God has given me a chance to become a medium. So I will become a medium between Mahir or Bob, Mahir or Mr. Suri, Mahir or Piyush. And that is something which really gives us a little bit of happiness. And need not say I got it from my dad, who is also there in the call today. I don't know if he's ready to come on video or not. But then for us, it is very much like family. We हमें बच्चों ये देखो कितना हंस रहा है ये. Why are you laughing so much? So thank you, Bachcha Party, and thank you everyone for being here today. So that's what I had my special thing for Mahir.
Okay, so basically.